Hello everyone, this is me Akash Gupta this side. So this is the another video on HTML tutorial playlist. So in the previous video we have discussed the basics of HTML, okay, and in this video we will be going to discuss the basic coding structure of HTML, okay. So stay tuned to the end of the video so that you can understand each concept of HTML coding structure, okay. Okay, so before moving towards HTML coding, let's have a brief knowledge about what is website and what are web pages. Okay, so HTML is used to create web pages using HTML tags, right? Means the use of HTML is to create web pages, right? Using HTML tags. We will discuss about HTML tags in the next slide. Okay, so now what is web page? So web page is a collection of information. Simple. Okay, simply we can say web page is a collection of information which are in the form of texts, images, graphics and videos. Okay, so the information will be in the form of text, images, graphics and videos, right? Now what are website? So website is the collection of multiple web pages. Okay, so website is nothing but the collection of multiple web pages. Collection of many web pages makes a website. Okay, where the several links of different sub pages, that is the web page, right, are linked to the first page, which is called a home page of the website. Okay, so from this diagram you can understand well. You can see that this is the picture of some particular website, right? So here you can see some options are there, right? So these options are the sub pages, okay, or the links you can say, right? Several links that I had written here. Okay, so these are the several links that are linked to the first page. This is the first page, which is called the home page of the website. So this is the home page of the website where you will get these various links linked to this first page, right? So this is the basic introduction to web page and website, right? Okay, so now we will talk about what are HTML tags and their attributes. Okay, so HTML tags are like keywords which defines that how web browser will format and display the content. Okay, so in that picture you have seen that picture of website. Okay, how the web pages and the links are aligned, right, in that particular home page. Okay, so HTML tags are the keywords, right, which defines that how web browser will format and display the content. Means whatever content you want to display in your web page, right? So the web browser will understand, okay, that whatever content you have entered, right, using HTML tags, so how it will be displayed, right? So these are called HTML tag elements. Okay, so HTML tag consists of three main parts, right? First is opening tag, then the content, and then the closing tag. Okay, we will go to the example. HTML tags are of two types. First is paired tags and the second is single or unpaired tags. Okay, so HTML tags are basically of two types, paired tags and unpaired or single tags. Okay, now there are some rules for naming the tags that must be followed, right? So first is all HTML tags must enclosed within these angular brackets. Okay, so this is the less than greater than sign, right? These are called angular brackets. So every HTML tags should be enclosed, or you have to write that tag, particular tag inside these angular brackets, right? Second rule is if you have used an open tag, right, means if you have opened any tag, right? Then you also need to close that particular tag, right? So closing the tag is followed by a forward slash, right? Means how to close the tag? Just you have to put the forward slash before the tag name, right? So this resembles the closing of the tag, right? Except single tags means single tags. You have seen here single or unpaired tags. That tags means single or unpaired tags don't have the closing tag, right? They only have the single tag. Okay, so that is why it is written here except single tags. So you can see the example of paired or closed tags, right? So this is the p tag, which is called the paragraph tag, right? So we have opened here paragraph tag. Inside this you have to write your content, right? So one sentence I had written, it is a paragraph tag, and then I had closed the paragraph tag, right? Okay, so now one more example of single tag, that is br tag, right? So br tag is known as break line tag. Okay, so this tag is used to start writing from new line, means it will break the line. Okay, and then you can start your coding through the next line, right? So this is the use of br tag, and this is the single tag, right? We don't need to close this tag. Okay, so this was the introduction to HTML tags. Now HTML attributes. So HTML attributes are the modifiers to HTML tags, right? Means HTML attributes are the properties which are used inside the HTML tags, right? It change the functionality of HTML tag, or it adds some extra functionality to the HTML tag, right? So this is the meaning of HTML attributes. Okay, so simply you can say as HTML attributes are the modifiers to HTML tags which adds some extra information and functionality to our web page. Okay, for example, paragraph tag, we have opened paragraph tag, right? Then align is equal to right. Okay, so now what is align here? Align is the attribute. Okay, paragraph tag attribute. Okay, means the alignment, we are setting the alignment of the paragraph to right. Okay, means whatever content you will write inside this paragraph tag, okay, so all the content will be aligned towards the right side of the page. Okay, so this is the simple example of attribute. Okay, so this is the attribute name and this is the attribute value, right, which are to be written inside this double quoted marks, right? So this is the simple meaning of HTML attributes. Here also you can see in the diagrammatic view also I had given you some example, same example. I had opened the paragraph tag, right? This is called tag element. This is the attribute name, this is the attribute value, right? So this is the start tag, here you will write the content, and this is your ending tag. Okay, so I hope all these two topics are clear to you all, right? So moving on. Okay, so now we will see the simple structure or basic structure of your HTML coding, right? Means how to code HTML, the basic structure. Okay, so any program in HTML will start from HTML tag, right? This tag resembles the starting of your HTML file, right? Now after that you have to write head tag. Okay, so head tag is not visible in your web page, right? Means in your web browser, in your output, it will be not shown in your output, but it contains the important functionalities of your program. Okay, so under head tag you have to give the title of your file, right? So for example, for the demo purpose, I had created my first HTML program. Okay, So this is the title of our code, which is my first HTML program. So here I had opened title tag and here I had closed it after writing the title of the file, right? So this title will be visible in the tab of your web browser, okay? And after writing the title, you have to close the head tag, okay? After head tag, we will open body tag, okay? And after writing the content, means whatever you have to display in your web browser, okay, that is the content. So after writing the content, you have to close the body tag, okay? So body tag is the tag which is used to display the content, okay, or to write whatever content you have to display in your web browser, okay? And lastly, we will close the HTML tag after finishing our coding, right? So this is the basic structure or skeleton, you can say, okay, basic skeleton structure of your HTML programming, right? So after writing the program, you need to save the file, right? So for for saving the file, there is one rule, okay? See, here the file name I had given as hello, okay? So whatever file name you can give yourself, okay? But after giving the file name, you need to give the extension name, that is .html or .htm, okay? So .html or .htm is the extension file name of HTML file, okay? If you will not give this extension name, then the browser will not recognize the file as HTML file and it will not give you the output in web browser, right? So always keep in mind that whenever you save the HTML file, you can give the file name as per your choice, okay? But after the file name, you have to give .html or .htm, okay? And then from save as type, you have to select all files, right? See, here I had selected all files, okay? And then click on save button, right? So after you click on save button, the file will be saved. As you can see here, hello file is there, right? So if I will double click here, means if I will open it, so this will be opened in the web browser. So this is the web browser, right? See, the title is there, my first HTML program, okay? So this is the tab of web browser where the title is shown, okay? And this is the content, hello world, right? So this was the basic fundamental concept of HTML, right? I hope you have understood all the basic programming terminology of this tutorial, okay? So in the coming video or the coming lecture, we will discuss more about HTML tags, means we will use more HTML tags, right? And we will create more beautiful and attractive web pages, okay, using HTML tags and attributes, right? So if you have not subscribed, then please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so that you will get the latest updates of my coming tutorials, right? Thank you.